Everybody, welcome. We're about to react to some Master of Puppets by Metallica. What? Yeah, no. Um, classic song. Let's go. Let's do this. Thumbs up if you're Metallica. It's part of your soul. Yeah, thumbs up if you're Metallica. It's part of your soul for sure. Damn, bro. Just going ham right now. Let's go. See, this party's so cool. That was so nice. You just can't help it. But you just gotta go like this. So if you guys didn't know, this song is about drugs and how drugs uh basically take everything from you and how destroy you and how well, you know, how you're the puppet and the drugs are the puppeteer. Waiting through your dance construction. Taste me, you will see. More is all you need. So it's like when someone does drugs, not you, but when someone does drugs and they get addicted to it, and they're like, oh, how do I get rid of it? And then people are like, oh, well, more is all you need. Wow. Reading the lyrics is so different. Oh, wow. Come crawling faster, obey your master. Oh, that's so damn. Oh, that is that's deep right there. It's like even though you're on the ground, just crawl and and just come get this drug again. Wow. And your life burns faster. Like, come on, get your life over with in a way. Yep, true that. Yep. Wow. Damn. Wow. A needle. Talks about needles and stuff. Needle work the way never you betray. So like, even though you love the needle, you'll never betray it. You'll always be back, addicted to it. Ritual mystery, bro. It's like it's become part of your life to live this misery. Oh my God. Chop your breakfast on a mirror. Yeah, chop your breakfast in a mirror. Like making some lines and getting high from it. Kind of like addicted to coke. Back to the same line. It keeps repeating that. So it's like taste me, you will see. Uh, basically, how I'm killing you. Your master. Your life burns faster. Uh, 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 mm, 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 mm. They really emphasize that. They really emphasize the whole, like, this repeats the second time. You know how there is before we get into the second part, you know how there is a like there's YouTube videos that people play, like maybe Guitar Hero or anything like that, or any sort of like whatever. But they say that every time it says master, the song gets faster. Um, so in that sense, it kind of makes sense because like it gets faster because your life is going becoming shorter, so therefore the more you do it, the faster you'll die, basically. The more you go to your master, which is the drug. That's just my analogy on that. Anyways, back to this. And then that last part, sorry. The last part when it's like, Master, Master, like he's like begging for more drugs, like, where are you at? Where? Can you come here? Sort of thing. But I love this part. Mm-mm, mm, 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 mm. Oh, so nice. This is so melodic. I love it. It's so neat. Super nice. I like it. Damn. Okay, hold on. You know how there's a belief that I'm just going with theories here. I believe that whenever there's a solo, the solo usually tells a story. I'm beginning to tell, like, to kind of like uh, believe that there's a story behind the solo. Because you know how it repeats back and forth, and then it goes back to over again. So I think that there's like a story behind that. So like there's an extra lyrics in there, which that'd be, I mean, I think that's awesome. We just have to like, like imagine that there's some lyrics, just sing along with them. Um, anyways, back to this, and then it picks up here, kind of like when someone is high, apparently they go from like being super high to like going to this, like trying to abandon them, or like they don't have enough drugs, they become kind of crazy. And I feel like that's what's happening right here. Like there's so many things like things moving around in a way, kind of like your head and your head bugging you. Laughter, laughter. See, like going crazy. Yeah. Laughing at my cries. Oh, this is the solo that I love. It's me. Sorry. So I think about this, like everything, it just sounds like that in my head. Natural habitat. Oh, sounds like this guy, like you know how there was like a whole like do 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 do, and then it went to like so it's like he was like kind of like in like a calm sort of like time or like sort of like drift or whatever, and then he's like now he's like kind of like going crazy. So now he's like talking about death and hell is like a good place to be for him now. So he feels like that's like the best, like you know, it's like comfortable for him now. So um, and never ending maze drifting on number days. I feel um like the person that they're talking about, or I don't know. I feel like because they used to do a lot of drugs or were they well a lot of drinking. Not really. I don't know. I'm not sure if they did any drugs, but I know they did a lot of drinking back in their like younger days. So this might be like part of like remembering the past for Metallica in a way. I know Dave Mustaine was in it too. Um, so I know they were really into drinking and they were heavy drinkers and whatnot. But you know, who knows? It might not have to be. It doesn't have to be about like coke or anything like that. It could be about alcohol. They just changed it. It's just my take on that. Auto season. But life is about to expire. Help you die. I'll run through you. Now I'll rule you too. Says I will occupy. I will help you die. I will run through you. Damn. Now I rule you too. That's such a great line. That's it's like a really like I don't know. That's just so meaningful right there. Like what it will do to you, basically. It'll occupy you. It'll help you die. It'll run through you, and it will rule you. Damn. It's like to the point that you can't even think of it for yourself. Back to come crawling. Hey yo, master. Life goes faster. Obey your master. Master. Yep. You know, when he said twitching your mind and ending your dreams, that's pretty. That's also like you can't think of anything else other than me. You know. Yep. Master. I'm just thinking about this song a different way now, so it's a little different. Ba-da, 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 ba-da-da. Oh, that ending is also weird as well. Just laughing and stuff. I guess it goes back to hearing all the voices and stuff. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this review or this review slash reaction. Um, I'm working on more bands and trying to get to through them all. Um, hopefully this was good for you guys as it was for me. I thought it was amazing. one of my favorite songs by Metallica. Um, very. I think most people have heard of this one. I'm gonna do stuff that like not most people have heard of, so that's gonna come up. It's gonna come up next. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, leave anything you guys want. It's cool. Thank you guys for watching this. I appreciate you. Good night.